Earlier today, I signed a declaration of emergency, otherwise known as a state of emergency. With that, Connecticut joined a number of other states that have declared emergencies, including Massachusetts, New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Virginia, the District of Columbia, and eastern counties of North Carolina. The reason I signed the declaration is because it gives us the ability to modify or suspend any state statute, regulation, or requirement. For example, altering work hours, waiving license requirements, and other things. The ability to order civil preparedness forces into action, and the ability to designate vehicle and person routes and movements, including closing highways should we deem that advisable. As the storm progresses, residents should be prepared for possible road closures in addition to suspension of services of Metro North and Amtrak. We anticipate a strong storm surge on our coastal areas, made much worse by the expected duration of the storm and the fact that it will happen over three tidal changes, or three high tide cycles, I should say. Wind gusts are expected to top 80 miles per hour, which is stronger than anything that we experienced in the last tropical storm. But we are going to experience sustained high winds for as long as 36 hours, which will hamper our ability to recover during any storm that we are in the midst of. The current forecast suggests that winds will begin to pick up late tomorrow afternoon and will begin to really intensify tomorrow night. The storm could easily last up to 36 hours, as I've previously said, until sometime midday on Tuesday. I want to make special note, Connecticut citizens are not used to storms of this duration. And because it's being referred to as a hurricane or tropical storm, many of our residents think this is a 12-hour at maximum cycle. It is not. It looks to be substantially longer than that, and that's why any evacuations need to occur on Sunday during daytime hours for everyone's safety. Let me close my remarks by making a couple of important points. Folks, this could be bad, really bad. It could impact us in several ways and for a long period of time. Please take this as seriously as we are taking it. We are talking about the potential for a high number of power outages and for an extended period of time. We're talking about severe flooding, perhaps the worst we've seen in more than 70 years, back to 1938. We're talking about extensive travel problems. Perhaps most important, unlike other similar events we've experienced in the recent past, we are talking about a weather event that could last for up to 36 hours, not the 12 hours that Connecticut residents are generally used to.